Good morning, good day. This is the African Crypto Warlord. I hope you guys are doing well. If you do find this content helpful, please do like and subscribe. What we're looking at here is the 21 day, and we're gonna make this quick. Red is red, still downtrend, okay? Only thing that's bullish currently is the 21 day has expansion, was positively correlated, which gives it the opportunity to literally fail at 2538 as a potential wick to the upside. Now, we know that I'm guessing that there's going to be a potential wick to the upside before it got flushed to the downside. But the indicators are telling me that the flush to the downside is more than likely wanting to follow through this week. So we're going to look for anything and be wary of any touch to the top side. But until then, we're going to make sure that all these time frames fall through with each other. 14 days sideways. Sorry, 21 days expanding to the upside. 14 days now curling over and saying sideways. The 7-day target is currently saying sideways. The 5-day target is currently saying negative drift, and as soon as BTC starts closing below 22,530 negative drift, you're gonna get real hard. Alright, you're gonna look for a follow through at least into this mean at 20,528 mean reversion play on the 5-day. Red flash off, look for the sell. Well, should have been in the sell. Anyway, so contraction now on the 3-day. This is gonna be very interesting. So the 3-day is what I was saying for the last analysis. That one. If price action doesn't close above the orange line, you're going to want to mean revert back down to 20,228. Well, at that stage it was around about here, 19,500, so it's lifted itself about $800 off of this pump, the mean. Okay, 3-day mean reversion is at play, but the problem is you need to start closing above the JMA. Alright, over here, not that you can see it, but it needs to start closing at 23,140 in order to confirm this as a nice strong rally, at least to get it up for a failure point at 23,805 on the scalp. Okay, now we're on to the 24 hour. 24 hour is very important today. Alright, let me make this big screen so y'all can see what I'm seeing there, and let me turn off some Christmas lights. Alright, so as we get stuck inside the bands, that's our range. As we get stuck outside of the bands, that's our trend. Coming in, stuck, trend, stuck, looking for a new trend. So for the first time since January 01, we have now touched the bottom side of our reverse wave trend. And the general idea being is this is where a lot of retailers can get messed up. There's some good dip buys in here at these regions when they first do touch. Then you look for the failure of the mean so that they can fill their orders a little higher. And 23,648, if it can hold above here, it will want to return back to there. What stops it is this mean. Alright, 24 hour also has negative drift, a lot of negative drift, sideways at the current moment on the 12 hour. Blue flash is still on, not looking for the buy on the 12 hour at least, as your mean is down here at $22,000. 3 hour has had its mean reversion phase, hit an outlier event, and this is how you know that it's not going to have that much legs to the upside, at least for now, is that the outlier event has occurred. The candle is below, my reverse wave trend over here, and it's looking for this mean. Okay, if this candle closes above the reverse wave trend and holds the candle above the reverse wave trend, then it will target the mean on a quick wick. But currently right now it's going to get faded at the mean if it does get the legs. So I'm going to look for an initial fade at 23,047. If it breaks that, obviously managing risk very tight as you can with these indicators, 23,245. okay, breaks that, you're looking at 23,414. I'm not saying the full fucking numbers, this shit is taking forever. Alright, so that was the 3 hour looking for mean reversion with some expansion to the upside. The 90-minute, now 90-minute is a little bit confused. Blue flash is off, so it is returning into its data set on my kind of things. Now what do I see forming here is in the next 30 seconds we'll watch this print. Alright, so just bear with me, we're going to watch this 90-minute print. Alright, now it can be big drastic movement. If it closes, if the next candle opens and closes above the orange line, that will confirm the mean reversion, and we'll have to wait to see what this does. This is currently saying pump to the upside. This is currently saying pump, even though that they're facing two different directions. There's four laws to volatility, and what do we have here? That's the cross. It closes above, it's going to come in, touch this JMA, easy peasy. We'll pull back into this sucker. Don't think it's going to run away. This is the 90 minutes, so 22818. I'd say is initial quick little scalp pullback to keep the structure of this little pump. Okay, so what do we have here? We have contraction, and it's sideways, so it hasn't found direction yet on the 90 minute. Let's go have a look at the 45 minute. 45 minute is looking for some expansion to the upside. Just printed it. Initial target could be 28.46. Alright, now I'm just going to quickly throw it onto the means. What can we see here? This is our new daily mean. So apparently BTC is below our current daily mean, and the general idea is it's safest at the yellow point. Alright, so luckily BTC's weekly mean is above price action and not below. Right, so we can expect sometime in the week another touch at $228. But furthermore, to get there, we need to just, for today's mana, it would just need to break the daily mean at $23,037. Okay, let's go have a look at our monthly mean. So here's the play, right? If this does become bearish, if BTC does become bearish, you're looking for a failure point at okay, we'll be generous because there's data up there. You're looking at a failure point at this number. Go away, 23,376. Furthermore, let me be a little bit more accurate, 23,231. Alright, looking at failure points there to send you down into the monthly test, which is at $21,182. Okay. There, some expansion, not so happy. Okay, so what we'll look for here is a little bit of expansion and volatility. Move that stuck into positive correlation. And if we can hold it for 4 or 5 candles red on my volatility, I'll expect 23,000. As you say, we're returning back to our daily mean here. And furthermore, this is the biggest target, is 23,228. If in this week, BTC can start closing above 23,230, it does have the opportunity to keep its bullish posturing for this guy on the 5-day. Alright. It's not going to load it there. Whoa. Okay. So on the 5-day. This is very dangerous because as soon as you get below $22,550, you're going to expect the run to 19. You keep it above here for the next 10 days, which, sheesh, you're looking for a target of $29,263. If you found this helpful, please do smash the like and subscribe button. African Crypto Warlord out.